Hello, everyone. Crafting generative music models can be a challenging endeavor, especially for those interested in generative art and music. But fear not. If you're passionate about exploring the creative realm of generative music, we have just the solution for you. In this YouTube video, we'll delve into Audiocraft, an extraordinary generative music model that will redefine your perception of music creation. So, if you're ready to unlock the potential of generative art and immerse yourself in the world of innovative music, stay tuned and let's embark on this extraordinary journey together. Last week, Meta released a new open-source generative audio AI model called Audiocraft. It is capable of creating music and sound effect. This is the architecture of their model. Today we will try to run it on our local computer. They released the codes on GitHub, but the UI is not that user-friendly. Therefore I forked it and made some modifications. The original implementation will download the models to the cache directory, which is not what we wanted. So I modified it so that the models will now be downloaded to the models folder instead. Also, the predictions will not be saved automatically, so I made to save it automatically into the output folder. I also made a script to start the program which will set the path for the FFmpeg correctly. I modified the installation and wrote down how to install the FFmpeg on Windows. First, we need to install the packages that we need. We will use the command prompt. To install, we clone the repository to our local drive. I clone it to the C drive. After cloning it, we change the directory to the Audiocraft folder. Next, create the virtual environment. When it is finished, we can find the virtual environment folder here. Next, we activate the virtual environment. After we activated it, we can see that there is a venv at the front of the terminal. Next, we need to install PyTorch. Copy and paste the command here. When it is finished, we install the whole repository using pip install. Okay. It's done. We have done all the installation steps here. We will now install the FFmpeg. Go to this URL and the file will be downloaded to your computer. After the file is downloaded, we open the virtual environment folder. Unzip the downloaded file. Drag and drop all files to the virtual environment folder. The FFmpeg will be installed into the bin directory inside our virtual environment folder. Okay, we are now good to go. Type run.bat. It will set up the path for FFmpeg and start the program. Like WebUI, we open the URL in the browser. This is the UI. We need to set the prompt. We can put a sound file here, like what we did for image to image. We can choose different base models. We can choose a decoder. We can set the duration. There are some examples here. This is an example with both text and sound input. If we use the sound as one of the input, we have to choose a melody model. Let's try it. Click the Submit will load the model. If you did not download the model before, it will then start to download the model. Where is the download location? It is inside the models folder inside the Audiocraft directory. It's processing. Hey there. If you're enjoying the content so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. Don't forget to turn on notifications as well, so you never miss out. Okay, let's listen to it. This is the output sound. We try to use a different model this time. Choose the medium model. We need to take out the sound input. Click Submit. Okay, play. It's really like the 80s pop music. So now we have the AI to generate some music. What we can do, we can try to generate some music for our Stable Diffusion prompt. Let's copy some prompts from SDXL. Let's try this one. Feel like something flying. Quite good. Let's try the small models this time. This time sounds darker. Never mind. Where are the sound files? We click the folder button and we can find the sound files are here. Under the output folder inside the Audiocraft the directory. Let's try another prompt. Copy the prompt and paste it here. Choose the medium models. Submit. It really sounds like some mechanic in Clockwork sounds. Cool. I have tried to put all these things together using the image to lookbook web UI extension. If you have not watched the video before, you can find a link here or in the description below. These are the 5 images I have generated using the previous prompts. And I have generated a 20-second sound using the Audiocraft model. After we started the web UI, go to the Image to Lookbook tab. Copy the image path and paste it here. Copy the sound path and paste it here. Set the output path. Create a zoom effect. Choose the Fit Image Duration to Music Length option. Click the Run button. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, this is the results. Pretty good. Observations. The MusicGen melody model can use both text and sound as input. The sound input is just like the image input when we're using image to image in Stable Diffusion. The medium model generates music with better quality than the small model. However, I cannot run the large models because I do not have enough VRAM. Conclusion. In my opinion, the sound is still not good enough. My feeling is that the output is similar to the face output using the Stable Diffusion 1.5 base model, but it is a good start to have something like that. I think if someone fine-tuning it, the results may get better in the future. Also, if the architecture is upgraded later, we may also get some better results. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Stable Diffusion and LoRA training, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I will put up the other videos soon. You can also find all the models and images in my Patreon account. The link can be found in the description. Thank you and see you in the next video.